Immerse yourself in the enchanting embrace of the ocean's melody. Dance with the waves, gracefully moving in sync with the sea. Feel the rhythm of the water as it gently caresses your soul, setting it free. In this vast expanse of blue, where the horizon meets the sky, a symphony of life unfolds. Each wave carries a story, a message of resilience and untamed beauty. Let these rhythmic currents guide your spirit, inspiring you to embrace the ebb and flow of life's journey. As you sway with the tides, surrender to the power of the ocean's embrace. Let it wash away your worries, cleansing your mind and rejuvenating your spirit. The waves whisper secrets of strength, reminding you that you too possess the resilience to overcome any obstacle that comes your way. In the dance of the waves, you find solace and tranquility. The sea's gentle embrace invites you to let go of your fears and dive deep into the depths of your dreams. It is here, amidst the vastness of the ocean, that you discover the true essence of freedom. Allow the rhythm of the water to awaken your senses, to ignite a fire within your soul. With each graceful movement, you become one with the sea, harnessing its boundless energy. The waves become your partners, guiding you towards a life filled with passion, purpose, and endless possibilities. So, dear soul, let the waves be your muse, and the sea your dance floor. Embrace the beauty of the ever-changing tides, for they mirror the constant evolution of your own journey. Dance with the waves, move with the sea, and let the rhythm of the water set your soul free.